let's see how we go. 2-cent denom, $2 bet. They're up to, oh, a minor, $100. Not bad. Alright, let's go. Come on, baby. I want that major up there. Please. Thank you. Come on, baby. Thank you very much. Nice. Something from up there, please. Another minor would be fine. The major. Or the orange, green, orange. Red would be good too. Just fill them all up and give me the red. Come on, baby. I want to hear that plunk that you do when you drop the major. Oh well. Happy with that minor. $1.40. Better than a kick up the butt. Okay. Alright, I'll be back if I get something else. Nice little line hit on $1.20 bet. Let's see what it is. Okay. $17.80. Okay. $3 bet. 2-cent denom. Come on, baby. $7.50. Nice. $15 ball. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh no, come on. Be nicer than that. Thank you. Oh, nice. $30 ball. Keep dropping those, baby. Could I have something from up there, please? Come on, honey. I want to see a nice big coin show like that. Come on. Oh well. Alright. It's not bad. I'll be back. Okay, that's a nice little line here. 1860, could be better. Alright, let's see how we go. Wow, okay. I had just put my bet down because I had to run out of coin. It's given me really, really good ones. For $1 bet. $93 win. I'm happy with that. Okay, I'll be back.